Hey guys, what's happening? PopOS versus LinuxMint versus Ubuntu versus Fedora. Best Linux distro. Choosing between PopOS, LinuxMint, Ubuntu, and Fedora depends on user goals. Mint essentially is best for Windows, like ease and stability for beginners, essentially. Ubuntu it offers broad support and balance. Pop OS excels for gaming creators, like NVIDIA, using NVIDIA or tiling, right? Fedora, on the other hand, provides cutting-edge software for developers embracing newer tech like Wayland. Mint offers familiarity. Ubuntu is a stable standard. Pop OS focuses on performance and workflow, and Fedora pushes new features. So, use Pop OS for if you are a gamer, developer, creator, modern workflows, NVIDIA users. Excellent NVIDIA driver support, built-in tiling window manager, sleek cosmic desktop, right, which is upcoming, optimized for performance, easy install. The downside, less familiar UI for Windows migrants, like it needs adjustments, potentially less stable than Mint and Ubuntu, right? Linux Mint, best for beginners, Windows converts, older hardware, stability. Traditional Windows-like interface, Cinnamon, very user-friendly, stable includes codec S and software, low resource usage, right? Mate, they use Mate and XFC, right, or FCE. The downside, or older tech, X11 by default, slower to adopt newest features than Fedora or PopOS. Ubuntu, best for general users, developers, large community, broad software stability. Huge community, widely supported stable LTS versions, user-friendly GUI, great for newer Linux users, but they have custom genome, can be resource heavy. Snap packages can feel slow. Some users find it less clean than Mint or Fedora. Fedora, on the other hand, best for developers, power users, tech enthusiasts, those wanting latest tech. Cutting-edge software, newer kernels and drivers, strong open source focus, excellent Wayland support, Red Hat backend, but faster release cycle means more frequent updates. Potentially more setup for NVIDIA and or gaming. Okay, so the conclusion essentially, if you are new to Linux, use Linux Mint for familiarity, or Ubuntu for broad support. Gaming, NVIDIA, productivity, Pop OS. Developer, latest tech, Fedora. Windows user, like classic feel, Linux Mint. Modern workflow or tiling, Pop OS, or Ubuntu, Fedora with tweaks. So don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.